you love. The greatest collection of true crime, only on Discovery Plus.
Chipotle food review. Man, I can eat more green than damn anything. How yours feel? You put a little cheese on yours?
Marathon has the fuel to keep your engine running.
I always get the tortilla with the salad. Just like getting a burrito.
Life is going to take you.
Can't open it, bro.
Hey, got a great deal at Toyota.
Got a great deal to the other side.
Got a great deal to Toyota. Yeah.
Got a great deal. It's the final days of Toyota. Time for you to get a great deal.
What's up, YouTube? I got my special guest, Miss Hands. She don't like to be in the camera. Hopefully she got some good hands for y'all to see. You fold that burrito up. Look, you got a burrito, not a salad.
When you serve a boar's head sweet sliced ham, something magical happens.
It's good.
Born from a family recipe, it's expertly smoked and crafted
Thank
for
you.
coffee.
You gotta make sure you got some high quality H2O on deck.
And everything together. Boar's head sweet sliced ham, compromised elsewhere.
Yes, ma'am. I always get the queso. Recently, Chipotle changed their queso. Cause it used to be nasty. I ain't gonna lie to you. But now it's good though. Good queso.
Hey, Hamlin, I like your PJs.
Don't mind the way I chew. It's just I don't know. Missing too many teeth. You wanna know what we eating? What a ticket. Let's tear it up. You just seen that. They chips on point today.
If there's one thing we all care about more than sustainability, it's food. So corn meat-free nuggets are a great
You
help.
see it?
Because it's great protein for you
Y'all see it?
and the planet.
It's not on there.
Corn meat-free nuggets.
I seen it though.
Hobbies. $6 every day.
What a soda.
Two of
You ready?
those things for just $6. Euros. Two of those things for just $6. Oh yay! Arby's, we have the meat.
These the Mexican sodas, y'all. Really strong, give you a good burp. Open up your stomach to eat more.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Thank you. Back to it.
Time to check on the crumble. And it's not done. It's not crispy at all. I gotta think fast. So add the crumble right into the fryer. Let's hope for the best.
I always make sure when you get to the house, watch Chop with it. It make the food so much better. Don't watch Chop when you're hungry. Then I went to the grocery store or something and bought everything. You can't cook. It's nasty. see that in the bag here? That's right. We will tell you exactly what we got, but we can't find the receipt.
Very welcome to the dish.
Must have fell off.
I'm 100% confident that I'm going to
It's cute. It wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be. But I had fought literally blood, sweat, and tears here, and I want to win this thing.
Good stuff. Got that Mondo burrito look.
Chef Christopher, Chef Sarita, we asked you to make mac and cheese inspired desserts using a mac and cheese lava cake, figs, honey goat gouda, and pancake mix. Chef Sarita.
I made a honey goat.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take an order?
Topped with a maple almond fig.
Sarita, usually cake takes a really long time, and I was very worried that you would not be able to give us the consistency that you have.
Yeah,
But
that's it.
consistency-wise, it's amazing.
Chipotle always on point though.
You spend so much time just mixing the kheer that you lost the opportunity to celebrate the rest of the basket.
I agree. I can't find the honey goat gouda anywhere, and I do think the basket's a little bit lost.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think there could have been
You're welcome.
some syrup or something here that would have
That's my
really
wonderful-
elevated this. You know,
wonderful
this dessert is
wife.
for all of the cheese,
She's a
for
great
all of the
napkin
honey,
passer.
and I'm not totally sure this does that.
Great chef too.
Finally, Chef Christopher.
Chefs for dessert is a goat and brie cake with a fig, balsamic, and strawberry sauce.
Goat.
And it's
Hey.
served with a mac and cheese lava crumble.
You supposed to be making
I
everything.
am, my mind is still trying to figure out where to land because the crumble on top seems like it's, you know, a deep fried mozzarella stick, and that is not like a sweet dessert.
The cake is really dense, right? I like the combination of the peppers and cake together. The balsamic that you can use to take out that acid just a little bit more.
Chips on point, nice and salty.
Great brunch dish. It's a little bit on the savory side. I'm just not convinced that it's a dessert, right? I mean, two great chefs, very tight.
Yeah, I want
combo.
some.
And the appetizer on I get straight knocked it out of the park.
So Sarita made this
Sorry.
mac and cheese bread pakora, which was stuffed with a macadamia, which I think was such a great
Oh,
idea.
cheers.
I just felt like the pakora batter could have been crisper.
Which one did the mac and
So
cheese and the
Christopher
bread?
made a mac and cheese for us.
The guy.
With this sort of
What he said about it?
called a chimichurri, but it was a little bit strange.
The texture was really challenging.
Yeah, it was gummy.
But the pickled turnips, they were delicious.
Yeah, and with the green beans, I like that quite a bit.
So the second round is more weighted.
Overall,
so
Chipotle good.
$25,000 plate of mac and cheese.
Usually have
And
fresh
Chef
vegetables.
Christopher gave that to us.
Listen, his Christopher.
I usually get the salad bowl.
Delicious. Like for me, that was too heavy.
Romaine
I
lettuce,
think the only thing I needed was a glass of wine
pinto
and a little bit more
beans,
privacy from you ripping on it.
brown rice,
Yeah.
pico de
but
gallo,
he gave us a very good mac and cheese as well.
and some
much
shredded
lighter.
cheese on top.
I think the consistency
That's usually my
wasn't
go-to
right.
every
Didn't have
time.
enough cheese to it.
Once you shop with them plenty of time, you get the online account. You just click a few buttons and reorder what you ordered last time. So that's convenient.
$25,000 to get them to the final.
Hell yeah, I'm finna finish the brother. We can't be talking at the same time.
But I'm the chief
Bye, y'all.
guest. It'd be embarrassing if